in testing our assembled regulated power supply, we have to do the dry test first. It means test it without supplying power. So we have here the multimeter. We are going to do the continuity testing, the resistance check. So if these two test probes will be connected, it means that what will happen to our multimeter. Now this is the two input. Let's check if they are not shorted. So one should be connected on the other wire. The other also should be connected on the other wire. And if this will change, it means our power supply has something, or it is shorted. As you can see, it does not change on its display, so it means our power supply is good to be power up. So let's go. Connect one wire in here for the input source or input power, and the other wire will be connected at the other wire also, because these two wires are our input of our power supply. Okay. Now, these three wires in here are our output. This is the ground. This is the ground, our common ground. And if we measure in here, this should give us 12 volts. And from here into here also should give us, these two wires will give us 5 volts. So let's try to power it out. Check it in our power source. These two, and make sure these two wires does not meet to one another. Alright, let's check. The black should be our ground. This black test probe should be the ground, should be placed at the center here. And this test probe. Now let's set first our multimeter into 20 volts. 200 volts DC. Again, the black test probe should be on the ground, this one, center. This should be placed in here, and it should have more or less 12 volts. And we get the display of 12.9 volts. That's tolerable. It's okay. Correct. Then, again, at the other side, we should get 5 volts. So this is the ground. And the red test probe should be on the other wire. And we have more or less 5.22 23 volts. 5.23 volts, which is good. So it means this power supply is perfectly functional. Since it's functional, it's ready to be used in any application that you wanted to. So this is the front view. Okay. Allow me to remove first the power source. Front view. Can you see it properly? Okay. And the solder side. That is the component side at the other side. Oh, it is blurred. This is the solder side. As you can see, the solders are very shiny. Perfectly gone. Alright. So, thumbs up. This regulated power supply is working.